Alrighty, I have a construction update on Minebuster for you guys today, but first I want to talk about a 7-day huge sale. We are dropping the price for 7 days only on our 3 hours LRT on May 14th. So for those of you that may not know, we have rented out Alpenfury and Leviathan for 3 hours after close, night rides, back to back to back. That's 3 hours, which is insane. And we've dropped the price dramatically. The link will be down in the comment section and the description of this video. So for 7 days only, if you were thinking about getting your tickets, I would get your tickets because after the 7 days, it's going back up to its original price. So we're really excited about that. And obviously, we have to submit our numbers to Canada's Wonderland this weekend. So we're just trying to get a final push on a majority of this so we can get it all submitted for this weekend. So definitely click the link down below if you want to attend and join us for one of our most outrageous LRT packages we've ever done so far. So super excited. Let's get into the construction update. So a crane has arrived today at Wonderland. So this is the crane that we're not quite sure what it's going to do. Obviously, the assumption is it's there to lift the sections, the running rail for Minebuster. The only confusing thing is this was a pretty insane crane to have on site for that, and the counterweights were pretty insane too that they were installing on the crane. So it was a little confusing, but that's the assumption. I didn't see them use a crane previously like this for that, but that's the assumption right now. Outside of that, if it's not, then maybe one of the water slides is getting removed, or they're removing more of Minebuster to work on it. As you may have heard in my previous video, I am under the impression that we're going to see maybe a little bit more portion of Minebuster worked on outside of the helix, but that is all hearsay. And an assumption that I am coming up with at this current moment. There are no other signs as to what the crane could be for. It's not building anything new outside of the Minebuster refurbishment or maybe possibly a section of a water slide getting removed. I don't think that's actually what's happening. But yeah, outside of that, Minebuster is full steam ahead in terms of all the ledgers for the wood ledgers. And getting ready to install the running rails along Minebuster. Now, if you do remember in my previous updates, I have discussed a weird demolition marking on the lift hill for Minebuster, and that could be essentially what this crane is for, but no evidence of that either. But there is one demolition marking at the very top of the lift hill, and the lift hill, we all know, has needed some work. Now, I am going to be uploading a pretty intense update tonight on Patreon of some other work going on in the park. We are in that season where there is so much going on, and there's another new project that is currently being worked on. There was a section of trees cleared out, and that's all I'm going to say for now. So stay tuned to Patreon. Don't worry, I don't want to overhype it. I don't want to clickbait people. It's not roller coaster related. So if you're heading over to Patreon and clicking because you think it's roller coaster related, it's not. So don't worry. I don't want to clickbait you or falsely lie to get you over there. But there is an exciting update tonight coming on the park getting ready and some other projects in the park as well. But outside of that, Minebuster's pretty full steam ahead. I've been looking for evidence of other sections of track being marked up. Haven't seen that yet to support my theory that more of Minebuster is going to be worked on outside of the lift hill. But outside of that, it's just the crane getting set up, the current quick-paced work going on in the helix now, and possibly the running rail going in as they start to get those last little sections of prefabbed lumber installed on Minebuster. So definitely very exciting stuff. Again, some of these updates are few and far in between. That is because I don't want to just film a video of ledgers going in for you guys and upload the same thing every week. Ledgers, ledgers, ledgers. So yeah, we'll keep you updated on the crane and sections it's going to remove. They were spreading out gravel near the lift hill area, as you just saw there. That is why I am possibly under the impression that this could be for the lift hill section of Minebuster. So again, we will keep an eye on that. That would be pretty sick to have a brand new lift hill going into 2026. And then one more reno year on Minebuster, and it's complete, a complete prefabbed gravity group. So very excited for that. Anyways, thanks so much for supporting us. Click the link down below and join us for our 3-hour LRT event. That is the lowest price you're going to get. And thank you so much. Have a good one, guys. Bye.